Is this phone a DSLR killer? I got my professional portrait taken on the new Honor 200 Pro in one of the most prestigious and oldest photo studios in the world, Harcourt Studio in Paris. A place responsible for creating timeless portraits of some of the biggest celebrities and icons around the world. We used the Honor 200 Pro for our portraits, and I gotta say the results were absolutely shocking. So this is Honor 200 Pro, and I've been using it for almost a month now, and let me tell you this straight away, most people should not be spending $1,000+ on a phone when something like this exists for just around 750 euros price point, giving you one of the world's brightest screen on a phone, coming at 4000 nits, 5200 mAh battery with the included 100-watt charger, brand new Snapdragon 8s Gen 3 chip for incredible performance, and studio level portrait camera co-engineered with Studio Harcourt, resulting in stunning portraits. Let's begin with the unboxing experience, and I'm happy to report that we get everything we deserve to get out of the box, which includes a full-on 100-watt fast charging brick, USB-C cable, SIM ejector tool, and a protective case. Most brands do not provide this value out of the box in 2024, so smash that like button. Now, taking a look at the design of this phone, we have a pretty unique look going on because it's the first phone I'm using this year that has both glossy and a matte texture finish. The design of the camera bump is actually directly inspired from the Casa Mila in Barcelona. It feels premium in hand, and despite having a 5200 mAh battery, it's still very lightweight. Now up front, we have a quad curve floating display coming at 6.78-inch size. It's one of the most bezel-less smartphone screens we have on the market. Not just that, it's also one of the world's brightest smartphone screens, coming at a whopping 4000 nits of peak brightness. Like, this is ridiculous level of brightness where you're not gonna have any issues using this phone no matter how hard outdoor sunlight is. And once again, it's the best display to look at for your eyes thanks to 3840 Hz PWM dimming number. It's still way more compared to some of the industry's flagships in the business. As someone who has sensitive eyes, I really like this display. Now, they made the display even healthier to look at thanks to the brand new circadian night display feature. With this, the phone will automatically adjust the screen temperature in order to help your body prepare for sleep and minimize that blue light emission. Now, this is the first phone that I'm using with the brand new Snapdragon 8s Gen 3 chip, and honestly, I am completely blown away by the performance of this chip. Like, it is super smooth, incredible for gaming, and brilliant for the camera experience. When you're shooting 4K 60fps video, the lens switching is absolutely blazing fast. We used to only see this level of optimization and performance on $1,000+ phones, so now with Snapdragon 8s Gen 3, you honestly don't need to spend more for incredible performance. Now, for the great performance, we need to have a great optimized software experience. So this is Magic OS 8 running on Android 14. With Magic OS 8, you get some AI features such as Magic Portal that allows you to drag text to any of the supported apps. For example, you can drag an address and place it straight in the Google Maps application. No need to copy and paste, making the process very simple. We also get Magic Text that allows us to copy text from any image, plus some really awesome air gestures that work seamlessly thanks to that big camera sensor we have on top. So you can basically scroll around by just waving your hand, go back around the menu, and even take a grab shot screenshot. While the software look hasn't changed majorly, which I would have loved, still is one of the most smoothest Android UIs I've used with incredible animations. Now let's finally talk about those cameras on the back because I have a lot to tell you. Let's get the specs out of the way. We have a 50 megapixel portrait main camera with super dynamic H9000 sensor. Then comes a 50 megapixel telephoto sensor, which is a customized Sony IMX856 sensor, a 12 megapixel ultra wide that doubles as a macro camera, and then on the front we have a 50 megapixel portrait selfie camera. Now, images in general come out fantastic. We get nicely processed HDR photos producing rich details in almost all scenarios, including low light. When it comes to long range zoom, things are looking pretty good as you can go from 1x all the way to 50x. I've been able to take some fantastic images during my trip, but nothing comes close to the studio level portraits that you can get out of this lens. Honor has developed a powerful AI portrait engine co-engineered with Studio Hardcore in order to achieve incredible studio level portrait photos captured on a phone. We get 3 color modes: Hardcore Vibrant, Hardcore Color, and Hardcore Classic. All of them have their unique look. Honestly, I was really shocked to see the level of detail we got and the way it handled the lighting and shadows with certain realism to bring really stunning portraits, all thanks to the Honor AI portrait engine. I was able to save 2,000 euros because that's the amount you would have to pay if you want a professional photo done at Hardcore Studio. But thanks to Honor 200 Pro that fits in my pocket, I was able to get this for free. Now, what about video performance? So you can shoot 4K videos up to 60 frames per second, and it honestly looks really good, especially all the outdoor video footage is just absolutely stunning. Being able to switch lenses that quick thanks to Snapdragon 8s Gen 3, it is really optimized. You're also able to take good videos even in the most challenging situations. Honor has also stepped up the game when it comes to the video portrait mode is concerned, so not only the edge detection is better, but you can use the zoom lens as well for more accurate depth data. Although the video is capped at 1080p, the result still looks very stunning, as you can see in some of these examples. And by the way, I was able to play with this camera all day during my trip without breaking a sweat thanks to that big 5200 mAh battery, giving you one of the best battery life that you can have on a smartphone right now. So all in all, Honor 200 Pro is an absolute banger of a smartphone in 2024. Honestly, with all this amazing package you're getting, you're probably thinking that this phone costs like $1,000 plus. No, it's actually well in the 750 euro range, again depending on your market, which is still quite a bit cheaper than some of the rivals like the Galaxy S24 Plus. When you consider the 4000 nits bright display, 5200 mAh battery, Snapdragon 8s Gen 3 studio level portrait camera, 100-watt fast charging, like it's impossible to ignore the value you're getting at this price. But let me know what you guys think regarding the Honor 200 Pro in the comment section below. Do you think it's a banger of a deal? Let me know. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.